I'm going to talk about the last harvest, 2015 in Champagne. The summer was very warm, very dry, especially in July and August. And so we had very mature grapes in Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier and Chardonnay. The yield was not so high, so we got very, very high alcohol degrees. And that's why I was quite worried about the acidity, because when you have high alcohol degrees, the acidity is getting down. Then before the harvest and during the harvest, I taste the grapes and I taste the must, and then I decide to block the malolactic fermentation to be sure to get the freshness, because champagne has to be fresh. And that was a decision, and a risky decision, because when you decide to block the malolactic, you change a little bit the style of your wine. But it was so important to do that. And I did that for the Pinot Noir and the Pinot Meunier and Chardonnay. So we got must with a lot of structure. And then I also decided to vinify most of my must in small barrels and big barrels, because when you have a lot of structure of the must, you can vinify in small barrels and big barrels. And then vinification in small barrels and vinification in big barrels and without malolactic fermentation. And the result is now. So we are in March and April, and we are testing the Vaclair. And I'm quite enjoyed with my decision to block the malolactic, because we have rich, mature Vaclair, so really drinkable right now, and also fresh. And so I'm quite happy with the 2015. I think it's not outstanding year, because it's not a wine with a huge potential for aging, but it's great champagne, great year, because it's a real wine with big structure, with richness, and good potential for aging.